Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can create a custom-made report on Kashoo accounting software. To create a custom-made report, for example, if you want to a quick links of summary reports available for you to work on, you need to go to section reports and click on plus button add custom report. So for example, we have general ledger report already as a standard report provided, but here is general ledger of all accounts available. So if you want, we can of course filter, but it will take longer time. We can create our one, for example, for revenue. So let's say revenue analysis. Type of reports, I want to see all details, so I want to see general ledger. Time interval, I can select current, periods, last periods, or custom. In my case, I will select custom, and it will be from 6th April, that's my tax year, until 5th of May. Accounts, I want to see only my revenue accounts, so I'm selecting 3 streams of my revenue accounts. And sort by number, which is your general ledger or number given for this revenue streams. Once you're happy, click on add. Now under custom reports, we have revenue analysis report. This can be edited and also it can be deleted or removed. And on right hand side, there is our revenue analysis report. We can still change the date and select particular period. For example, in my case, I have from 6th April to 5th of May. And here is all detailed information provided. So if I change period to, let's say, today, report automatically updates and provides information below. So we can download this report as CSV, as PDF, or also save this report. So in this episode, I showed you how you can create a report or quick links of reports on Kashoo accounting software. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.